Hello you guys and welcome back to my channel. Yes, today I have another mystery unboxing for you guys. I know. I've had a lot of mystery unboxings right now, but I don't know, that's just the way it happened to go. I think it was a theme this past month that Black Friday was just mystery box after mystery box, so I definitely fell for that trap. I bought quite a few different variations from different places. Today I have the last two from the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Holiday 2019 boxes. So I'm really excited about that. I have the mini that has been talked about by everybody, and I also got the premium. Yeah, had to double check on the name so I didn't get it wrong. I got both these two boxes, and we're gonna dive into it and see what's inside. Now, just as a little bit of a recap in case you guys aren't aware, the mini box is sold for $20 and it's supposed to have a $44 value inside of it. It's supposed to have 3 items, one being an exclusive item, which we'll get into that in just a second, and then I just whacked myself in the mouth. I always do something. And then the premium box is a $60 box that is supposed to have a $120 value, including 5 items, and one is a mystery exclusive cosmetics item. So, I'm gonna be unboxing both of those. I will get started with the mini, however, just to go from smallest to biggest. Why not? And with the mini, I think we've all kind of seen by now the whole hoopla, if you will, of what happened with the stickers. Spoiler alert, yes, there are stickers inside of it. I think we all kind of heard about it by now. Jeffree Star addressed it on his Instagram stories and talked about what was going on, because I was actually very confused when I had placed my order. I was waiting for it to ship, and then all of a sudden I got a refund for this mini box. And so it turns out that he actually refunded every single person who got the mini box because there was a flyer mishap where it said that every single box, including the mini, was going to have an exclusive mystery item, and it did not have that. It had an exclusive item, but it didn't have a cosmetics item. I think the way in which he handled it was really commendable, because I mean, that's just really cool. I thought he was just gonna refund everybody and then, you know, just be like, all right, that's it for the mini. Like, nobody gets it. But I think that was very well handled by him. So that's a little bit of an insight before we get into it. So I am already aware of what is supposed to be inside of it as far as the exclusive item goes. I don't know, you know, the components. It's still sealed. So yeah, we'll get into that, but that way we're all on the same page. So this ended up actually being a free item this time around, which isn't bad. Let's see what we got. I'm just gonna go ahead and get right into it. No dilly-dallying here. Well, except for my long rant there in the beginning. Mini box. There we go. All right, so first things first, let's start off with the controversial item, and that is the stickers. Now, my take on these stickers, I did think that they were really pretty. I like the themage. They're of the American traditional style tattoo, which is what I love. It's the theme that I have personally. So I really enjoy the look of them, but as far as stickers inside of a mystery box goes, I would have preferred to have seen this as a add-on. I think they should have just left it saying like, it's gonna be 2 items. I mean, 40 bucks, you get 2 items. It's not that bad. And then when people get it, then they see that, oh, I got some free stickers in there. I think that's the way they should have done it, because then I think it would have been received a little bit better, because everybody was thinking like, oh, I'm getting 3 makeup items, and then they get a pack of stickers, you know what I mean? But yeah, that's just my opinion on the whole sticker situation. Let's move on to item number 2 inside of the mini box, which is gonna be a velour liquid lipstick in 818. If you aren't familiar, that is a area code in Los Angeles, more specifically the Valley. Ooh. Oh yeah, I forgot this is a very bright color. Here's what 818 looks like swatched out. And you guys know me, I'm gonna put it on the lips too. Let's do this. Woo, that is bright. All right, here we have it, 818 on the lips. I don't know, what do you guys think? Can I pull it off? I don't really think I can. I think it's a little bit too bright for me. But this is a $18 liquid lip formula. So that was technically our second item, our first makeup one. Now we got one more item inside of the mini, and this is a velour lip scrub in Lemon Sucker. My mom has actually gotten one of Jeffree's lip scrubs before. I haven't personally tried one, but she got one. She really loved it. I think I might just take a sniff of this. Maybe I'll give it to her. I don't know, depends how much I like it. Oh my gosh, that smells amazing. It smells just like those little lemon heads. Well, I just want to take a little scoop and eat it. I know that's what Jeffree usually does in his videos, but I'm kind of scared. I know it's just sugar and scent and whatnot. Let me try a little bit. Is this weird? Is this weird? Not bad. I had to. It just smells so good. I definitely want to keep it for myself, but my mom really enjoyed his lip scrub, so I'm definitely gonna give her the option. If she likes this scent, she can definitely have it. I'm willing to give it up for my mom, of course. And the velour lip scrub does have a retail value of 12 bucks. So that was now our last item. We technically got 3. So I got a velour liquid lip color, lip scrub, and the stickers. Now, of course, we all know by now the box was free, so I'm not really complaining about any of the items that I got. You can't really complain there. Let's move over now to the premium box. I had to double check the name again. I keep forgetting. I want to make sure I say it right for you guys. So this is the $60 box that is supposed to have a $120 value. Let's dive into it, shall we? All right, here we go. Here we go. Seriously, why is something always stuck? Woo, there we go. There we go, little sneak peek. Oh, I can already see I got a little sticker situation here. I'm sorry, but this can wait. Do you guys see what I see right here? What? There is no way. There is no way. There is no way. No way. Absolutely not. I refuse to believe it. Absolutely refuse. You hear that? I refuse. It has been refused. Oh my gosh. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? The Blue Blood palette? Oh my gosh. Perfect condition. Look at this baby. Wow. Oh my gosh. That is freaking incredible. I did not expect Jeffree to put the Blue Blood palette into the mystery boxes. I'm not gonna touch this one because, well, yeah, I mean, you guys know. I do own my own Blue Blood palette. I had it sitting out on my desk. I was like, just in case it happens to come in the mystery box, I have it available. I didn't actually believe it. Wow. Wow. So this one, perfect condition, going back in the box. I'm gonna keep this wrapped up. You guys already know what that means. It's a freaking giveaway here soon. I'm gonna put one together. I'm gonna get some items together and it's gonna be a Christmas giveaway. That's gonna be in there. That is freaking awesome. I'm in shock. That's a really good item. I know I have it, but I was just like not expecting it. Is that silly? In case you guys want to see it, I mean, here's my original Blue Blood palette. It's absolutely gorgeous. I bought it when it first released. It's my little blue coffin. It's so pretty. Got some wonderful shades in there. every time something like this happens, I can't help but think in my head like, man, I wish I would have known. I would have gotten it in a mystery box several months later. I wouldn't have bought it. That's how my mind works. There you have it, Blue Blood palette swatched out. My favorite is absolutely the one down here by my hand, the shade, what is it called? Ocean Ice. Such a stunning color. I still can't believe it, because that was one of his best selling palettes not that long ago. I mean, it wasn't like a few months ago. Has it already been a year? Nah, it can't be. I don't know. I felt like it wasn't that long ago, so that's why it was like surprising. Yeah, because here it is. That's a $52 palette. Wow. I can't stop saying wow. I need to stop. All right, but let's get back to the box now and get back to the stickers, which I was originally picking up, and then I saw that. Again, they are saying that this is an item, and here's a little bit of a spoiler alert for you guys. They put these same exact stickers in all 3 variations of the box. So the deluxe, the premium, the mini, they all got the same exact pack of stickers. And here's where, you know, some more cents come into play, some more 2 cents. I feel like I would have hoped that they would have taken into account that people would order multiple boxes. Like maybe they'll get a mini, maybe they'll get a premium and a deluxe, you know, just to kind of experiment between them. I mean, the mystery boxes are a really great way to get some really crazy cool items for a discounted price and try a lot more from a brand and, you know, test out new items. So I wish they would have thought of people ordering multiple boxes. And I mean, for the exact same stickers to be in the box, you're just like, I really don't need this many of the same stickers. I wish they would have at least switched up the design of it, so that way there were like different variations floating out there. But now I have 3 sticker packs and I'm like, oh man, what do I do with these? Maybe I'll throw one of these into the giveaway. That way someone else can put them somewhere. But yeah, so those were our 2 first items inside of this box. Let's move on now to our 3rd item in the box. There is supposed to be only 5, I think, in this one. 3rd up, we got ourselves another velour liquid lipstick, this time in Mermaid Blood. Very blue. Oh man, oh man, oh man. That is a interesting color. Let's plop it on. I ain't afraid of no mermaid blood. That is intense. But here is what mermaid blood looks like on the lips. I don't know, I kind of like this one. This one changes the look entirely. And again, velour liquid lipstick is a $18 value. So kind of fun. We do have one more. Oh, this is the mystery one. So this is the velour liquid lipstick that is an exclusive for this box in this holiday season. It looks like a sparkly red in there. I'm excited. Hot dog. That is a pretty red. Let's wipe away some mermaid blood. Kind of sad. Whew, this is a tough one to get off. All right, that may be the best I can do. How pretty. That is a very beautiful shade. This is what I like to call the Christmassy red, but it's got a hint of a sparkle. It's got a little personality. You can see the sparkles when you get up close, but it's not overly sparkly, which I can appreciate. Again, another $18 velour liquid lip color, and we know that since all the liquid lipsticks are of the same price. Now we just got one more item. Let's do it. I got a Skin Frost. This one is in Ice Cold. Is it silver? I don't know. Usually it's the color of the packaging, but this one's kind of hard to tell. It's like a mirrored finish. I think it might be silver. We shall find out. All right, Ice Cold, here we go. Oh, wait a minute. That's not silver. It looks like just a icy highlight. Let's do a swatch of this guy. Ooh, it's so soft. I forget how soft these are. For me and my skin tone, this is gonna be perfect. I have a little bit of a highlight going on, but let's throw a little extra on top here. might as well. This is pretty exciting because I have gotten 2 Skin Frosts in the past in my mystery boxes, and they have not been a wearable kind of highlight shade. They've been very out there shades. You can strobe with this guy. I may have had a little bit too much since I already had a highlighter on the face. Wow, this was an awesome box. Holy moly. What? That's really all I have to say. 60 bucks for this box. Oh, hold on. Let me give you guys the value of this guy, just so we are on the same page. So Skin Frost is valued at 29 bucks. Let's see, we got the Skin Frost, we got 2 velour liquid lip colors, we got the Blue Blood palette. This of course is mine because the other one is going to one of you guys later on this month. And then we got the stickers. So let's total everything up. Blue Blood was 52, Skin Frost 29, velour liquid lipsticks 18 bucks. So with the items I was able to add up, I got a value of $117. That right there is awesome. That is not including the value of the stickers. I did double check here and it said that the premium box was supposed to have a value of $121. So this box, completely amazing. My absolute favorite. But that actually leaves a little bit of a question for me because I added up to 117 value, right? They say it's supposed to be 121. So then technically they're saying for the stickers of this one, the stickers only have like a $4 value. Whereas in the mini, I only had $30 in makeup and then the sticker was supposed to be like 14 bucks. Something doesn't add up. I mean, I know it fluctuates depending on what they put inside of the mystery boxes, but that just to me confirms that the mini was just like a man, like no good kind of box. Definitely happy that they refunded everyone for that one because I think that one, you know, had they not refunded it, wasn't worth it, to be honest. Just wanted to mention that since I got the total of this one and I was like, that doesn't add up. But holy moly, guys, holy moly. What a good box. For the premium, at least. For the premium, that was a good box. But that is where I'm gonna be wrapping up today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that little bell button. That way, of course, you are notified when the giveaway goes live for that Blue Blood palette. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.